All right. This is your magic number, $83,333 if you want a seven-figure business. Now, if you just want to make your first six figures, let's just knock off one of those threes, and you're going to get to 100K in a year if you're making $8,333 in a month. But either way, whether you want a six-figure or a seven-figure business, we have 4 boxes that we need to check to get there. The first one is our lead box. So think about the product that you're selling. Are you selling a high-ticket offer like I do? I sell $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 events. For me, I don't need as many leads as I did back when I was in the fitness industry selling $40 ebooks that I still was able to build up into a seven-figure business. So recently I was helping one of my coaching clients scale from $10,000 a month to over $100,000 a month. So they were able to go from that six-figure to seven-figure mark. We focused on lead generation, getting clients to a webinar, which allowed us to tick the next box of sales. So first of all, yeah, you need to have leads, but if you have all the eyeballs in the world, but your sales process, your copy is not good enough, then you're not going to convert them into clients and you're not going to get the money. So you have to check the lead box, you have to check the sales box. And this only comes with high income skills. So you have to be a lifelong student, you have to be learning, you have to be getting better every day. When you have that in place, boom, now you got some revenue. But what you need to do is make sure that you have upsells in place. So not only are you going to sell your first product, but you're going to sell additional products and services. So when people sign up for my coaching, they can, when they come to an event, a workshop, a mastermind, they can also add additional phone coaching with me as well. Or when I was selling ebooks back in the day, I had additional videos and done-for-you coaching that they could buy. With my client, we get the people to the webinar, he sells them there, and then he sells more products and services and including supplements in the upsell process. So now we're adding money and it makes it easier to get to our target. And then finally, you want to make sure that you have recurring revenue in your business, because if you wake up on May 1st with $10,000 of recurring revenue coming in already, then you only have to make $73,000 in the month in order to hit your seven-figure goals, all right? So you can hit this. It is accomplishable, manageable, reachable, whatever words I can make upable to get to this level, okay? If you're starting just to get your six figures, you want to get $8,333 a month. That's your freedom number. And then to get your $1 million, your magic number is $83,333, all right? I can math, all right? So when you have this in place, lead box, sales box, upsell box, recurring revenue box, man, that's when the money is going to flow in. But you have to have all those systems and processes in place. And if you have no idea where to start, the first thing you're going to do is click the link below or send me a direct message or comment and say, Craig, I need your help. All right, and we will build your business up to this level. If you're only at $20K a month right now, we'll scale you to the $83,333 mark so that you become a seven-figure earner. You can do it. If you've gotten to 20, you can get 83. If you've gotten your first dollar online, you can get to 8,333 to become a six-figure earner. You can do this. I know it because I've done it in multiple industries: online, offline, fit body boot camps, coaching, ebooks, video courses, my Instagram course, all of these things, and I'm going to do it for you too. All right, drop me a comment below, click the link, whatever it is, get in touch with me, send me a DM, email me at craig@godfather.com, and we'll build your business to your magic number. Boom.